What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I will be teaching you guys this profitable break and retest strategy with over 70% win rate. This strategy is a basic strategy mostly for beginner traders. So working with this strategy, we have to first identify the direction of the market's trend. So spotting this bearish market, this downtrend, we should know that our interest should be on the sell side of the market in general. So we can see on the 1 hour time frame on pfotits 101x index that this index is on a downtrend, creating series of low highs and lower lows formation, looking out for sell opportunities. So as the name says, break and retest, we have to spot levels that got broken and retested for sell opportunities in this bearish market structure, in this downtrend. Before we can decide to trade on the break and retest of a level, we should first confirm that level to be a solid level. The level of support basically broken, turned resistance for sell opportunities on this downtrend market. So this is basically a strong level of support which we've got past histories on. Price should at least buy on this level 2 to 3 times, confirming this level to be a solid level of support before waiting for the break and test of this level of support, now broken on resistance for sell opportunities. So at this point, we got the first price bought as a support. Let's call this the second buys and the third buys at this point. So we've got 3 buy reactions on this level, confirming this level to be a strong level, because if price can buy on a level the first time, buy the second time and the third time, it definitely means that that level is a solid level, a strong level basically. So you have to wait for this level to get broken, this level of support to get broken out on resistance for sell opportunities. Our interest is not actually on the buys, but just to work with these buys to confirm this level to be a solid level of support. So once this level gets broken, as we can see here, we have to wait for a retest of this broken level of support out on resistance for sell opportunities. So a break and retest of this level would be selling this index from this point, looking for sell opportunities from here. Remember, we have to first confirm this level of support to be a solid level, spot it out, then extend this level to a point where price could give a retest of this level. So we got these first sells where price sold to these previous lows. So taking a sell trade from this point, your targets should be on these previous lows. Yeah, so imagine selling this index from this point on this retest. You're definitely making good money on the sales. As you can see, our price sold to this previous lows. Your target should be here. Entry at this point, stop loss should be above this level, at least above this previous candlestick. Then boom, the sells. We can still look out for sell opportunity on price coming back to this level the second time, which we can see here. Price came back to give a second retest of this level, still making this level a level of resistance. So taking a sell trade on this retest, that's still making good money on this sell. You can see how far price sold to the downside. Targets should be on these lows, and we have to still wait for a new low formation, a new level formation for another sell opportunity, because index is on a downtrend. All we have to do is wait for strong levels of support that has been holding on to price. As we've seen here, we got price buy on this level, the first time support, second buys support, the third buys, about 3 to 4 buy reactions we got on this level, the fourth buys support there. So price broke this level. So this is where we come into the market, waiting for this strong level of support to get broken and retested for sell opportunity, because we know fully well that this index is on a downtrend. Just look out for sell opportunities here. The price coming to retest this level would be selling this index. First sells here, second retest, can still look out for sell opportunities. Move on to the third time. As you can see, price rejects on this level. Instead of rejections here, targets would be on these lows, this first low here. So marking this out to be our target on the first sell, selling this index to this point. Second sell, target here to be smart. Third sell, target here to be smashed as well. And this level has actually formed a strong level of support, which we've got about 2 to 3 buy reactions. The first buys there, second buys at this point. Then this level got broken out on resistance, which have to wait for a retest of this level for the sales. So I'm looking for a good sell opportunity right now on price coming to retest this level, working with the break and retest strategy by spotting out a level of support that price has been holding on to, now broken at this point. and be waiting for the retest of this level for sell opportunities, being that this index is on a downtrend. Same thing is applicable to a bullish market structure, as we can see here. Let's clear this off, clear our chart. So we got a bullish structure. The price has been creating series of higher lows and higher highs formation. So next thing you have to do is to spot a strong level of resistance that got broken, turn support for buy opportunity. Because in a bullish structure, that look at for buys here, working with the break and retest strategy and market approach. So we have a level of resistance here, which price sold. We had only one sell at this point, but about two candlestick rejections, the first one here and the second one. Let's just call this a level of resistance that got broken and retested. You can see the retest at this point, front support. So we're buying on this retest of this level, being that this index is an uptrend. Price is likely to respect this level. We're likely to get the buys on this retest. We still got another level of resistance at this point that got broken and retested on support for buy opportunity. Same price, sell resistance here. There was a break and retest of this level. So buying on this retest, looking for buy opportunity here. We can do this on any time frame, the 1 hour time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, the 4 hour time frame. To spot a bullish market structure or a bearish market structure, identify the levels in that structure in the bearish market structure to spot a level of support which price has been re-expecting a solid level, would say, and wait for a break of that level, a break and test of that level of support, not on resistance, for a sell opportunity in a bullish structure. In a bullish trend, you have to spot a level of resistance that got broken, a solid level of resistance that got broken and tested not on support for buy opportunities. We got the first price here, price pushed up, second price pushed up as well. We still have a level of resistance formed here, which we had the first sells at this point, price sold resistance, second sells resistance. So we have to wait for a retest of this broken level of resistance, not on support for buy opportunities. So imagine taking a buy trade here on this retest, you're making good buys, good money on this move here. Second retest here, we still got this little buys, price pushed up a little bit, and the third approach of this level still got good buys here. So that's this, guys. That's how effective and profitable this break and retest strategy can be. Firstly, spot the market direction, the market trend, then spot out levels in that market trend and wait for a break and retest of those levels for buy or sell opportunities. And this can be applied on any time frame relatable to the kind of trader that you are. Are you a day trader, a scalper, a swing trader, or a position trader? Work with your preferred time frame, applying this strategy, and you see massive results. So for me to get contents like this, do it to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, and subscribe if you're to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for this engaging in my videos. It's Lord, guys. Let's do more. Do have a wonderful day.